Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to explain what are local and global variables. So I'm gonna open the same file which we have done our introduction to functions. Okay. So in the last lecture we have seen this programming, right? So in this lecture, I'm going to explain what are local and global variables. Okay, so yeah, see now, uh, in the name itself you will know what is local and what is global. So local means that belongs to a particular region. Global means it belongs to every region. Okay, global means throughout the globe. Local means only inside a particular place. In Washington DC it may be, in Paris it may be, it may be in India, it may be in Bangladesh, whatever it may be. It belongs to only one particular region. It is called local. So we are local to some country, but global means that which belongs to a whole globe. Okay. Okay. So why are we going to discuss about this? So you can see here, we have declared this int a comma b comma c. Okay. So these are local to main. Okay. So inside main only these three variables will work. Inside main means from this braces to this braces itself, from this braces, starting of this curly braces to ending of this curly braces, these integer declarations will work. Outside this main, these will not work. So what do I mean? You see, return, okay, here write c equals x plus y. Okay, return c, and instead of writing sum of c equals sum of a comma b, I'll directly write, and removing this, yeah, sorry, I'm writing here sum of a comma b. So it's returning c, right? So I'm gonna print directly the c. I'm not declaring it c equals, I'm directly writing the c here. Okay, so as I already told you, this c belongs to this main function only. This is out of the main function, and we haven't declared the c here. Okay, because this c is local to this function itself. This is not the global variable. If I try to execute this program, what will happen? See, c was not declared in the scope. Okay, c only belongs to the main function. C doesn't belong to here. Okay, so instead, I'm sorry, and also we haven't kept this exclamation semicolon. Let me do it again. See, C was not declared in the scope. There is no error anywhere else in the program. So C equals x plus y. Okay, C was not declared because it is not global. The C belongs to only main function because we have declared the C inside main. So C is local to main. If we take out the C here, if we remove the C here, and we'll declare it outside all the loops. Okay, just below the what we say, this library files, we'll define any variable. It will be global. It can be used anywhere throughout the program. So if I'm going to execute this, there will not be any errors, and if I enter any two numbers, it will produce me the sum. So there is no error here. We have not declared it in main, we have not declared it in sum, we have just declared it in globally. Okay, we haven't declared in any function, we have declared it globally. So we can use entirely anywhere throughout this program. So these A and B are local to main itself. Okay, the A and B cannot be used in sum. Okay, so that's why if we give sum of A comma B also, we'll give int, because A and B belongs to main. So this A and B, and if we declare here A and B, these two are not same. This A and B is different and this A and B is different. Let me show you. Yeah, these A and B are different and these A and B are different. It will work. There will be no issues. Okay, it will work. But these two are different from these two because these are local to main itself. Okay, and these are local to sum itself. Okay, so that's why in the last lecture I told you can give any names, not only A and B, and you can add and you can return it to other program. Okay, so instead in the last program we have done the C declaration inside the main and returned x plus y and had given the sum to C, assigned the sum to C. Instead what we have done, now we have declared C as globally and we have used the C throughout the program. Okay, return C, and I'm directly printing that C here. So what is local and global variables? Local variables are the variables which are declared inside a particular function. So what are global variables? Global variables are the variables which are declared outside the functions, which does not depends only inside any single function. So what do local variables do? Local variables can be accessed in that particular function only, and global variables can be accessed anywhere throughout the program. So this is the basic difference between local and global variables and the practical implementation. This is a small video and a very easy video. You can understand everything in this lecture. There is no need to confuse, and that's all about this lecture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.